Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and I am here with a spoiler alert. Spoiler alert! So you might want to turn your channel. I've got my package here from Charlie's Nail Art in the UK, charliesnailart.co.uk. I am a proud ambassador. My code is NailedIt10, all caps. It's always in the description box, but this box contains October's Halloween trick-or-treat box. So if you don't want to know what's in it, I don't know if they're all the same, I don't know if they're different, I don't know, only Charlie knows. We're going to dive right in. Dive right in, we are. Cut the baby open, see what Charlie has in store for us. So here we go. I love Charlie's. I don't know what's in it. I'm very excited to show you. So like I said, this is a spoiler alert. If you don't want to see, you might want to change the channel. Are you ready? Are you all set? Do you have your snacks? Okay. If you haven't, I'll wait a second. This beautiful blue polish. It's blue and a purple. It's a lacquer. And then this. I'm loving these. This is Pigments by Tino. He's on Instagram, vo.tino. Tino, he does lives. And oh my god, I'm in love with his stuff. Okay, so everybody got their snacks, their cigarettes, their pop, their tea, whatever you need, because we're going to dive in. I'm not waiting no more. Let me see if I get this open. Oh, I don't like these kind of boxes. Okay, moment of truth. Ta-da! First, we're gonna go in for the note. Okay, this is because I'm an ambassador. Whoa. Okay, I'm confused. Hi Sheree, hope all is well. Thank you for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your nail designs. Charlie! She always includes a handwritten note with every order. She is so personable and the customer service is outstanding. These could be, because it's been a while since I placed an order and we get a few samples free. But I don't know if these are those. Let me look on the back of something. Orange, okay, no, this, I ordered these. Okay, this came with this. Woo! This is the Halloween trick-or-treat box. This is the order that I placed. But there are a few samples in here she did include, which would be for her ambassador. I'm sorry for sitting here bumping my gums. We'll look at this second. So for the trick-or-treat box, we have got the fine matte neon green. This is 5 grams. 5 grams of fine. Oh, that's just beautiful. I'm a fine glitter type of girl. I'm not into the real chunky stuff. Silver Bat Sequins. Love. Let me see. This is 3 grams then of the Silver Bat Sequins. Spider webs. Gonna use these in some Halloween manicures for sure. Spiderweb metal slices. This is the ribs of a skeleton. Skeleton rib cage charms. So I'm gonna move this over so we can, let me see, where can I go with this? So I'm going to show you everything. Whoops. And these are pumpkins. Ooh, some of them are upside down, but here's one that's right side up. They're gold pumpkins. Mini ghost charms. Oh, they're ghosts. Hello. Maybe take a second look at them. Okay, yeah, they're ghosts. They are ghosts. You've probably seen that before I could, huh? We have some hollow gold star charms. I'll give you a try. Oops. Get it to focus. Oh, rest in peace. These are new. She did not have these last year. Whoops. Fine matte neon orange. Love, love, love. This is another 5 grams of glitter. Ooh, look at this one, Night Terror. Only available at Charlie's Nail Art. 4 grams of Night Terror. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Whoops. Ogre's Swamp. This is 3 gram bag of Ogre's Swamp. Try to get camera. This is really, really a nice glitter mix. Should keep all my glitters together over here. And we have got Hocus Pocus. This has got the fine and some sequin chunky mixed in with it. Let me see if there's any certain shapes. I'm gonna have to open this one because I nosy. So let's see if we can see here. You know what I'm gonna do? This is how nosy I am. Where is my... We have got a hexagon mix. We have got, looks like, some gold and purple, different sizes of hexagons. Oh, these is beautiful. Maybe, I don't know if these are red in here too. Let me see if you can see. I think it's red that's in here too, over here in the corner. See those two right here? I think this is red. This is a beautiful mix. I'm so loving Hocus Pocus. Oh, now to get it all back in to the best of my ability. Okay. Whoa, Nelly. And that is 3 grams of Hocus Pocus. I messed my line all up. Night Chairs is looking pretty good to me too. And this is Dracula. Oh lordy. And this I might encapsulate with some acrylics. This is hexagons and dots. Red, black, and silver. Whoops. This is a nice mix. Really nice mix. Let me check my phone. I'm really sorry. Okay, it's not my mother. Glow in the dark hexagon mix. Oh, God. You know we have to check this out. Actually, look at that glow. Look at this glow. Oh, that is so stunning. Stunning. And it lasts too. This is just with my little battery operated LED light here. Oh, that is stunning. Glow in the dark hexagon mix. We've got a couple foils here. Purple Smoke. These are smoky nail art foils, so I'm not going to unravel them. We have Witch's Cauldron. Oh, that's going to be cool. That is going to be really cool. I don't want to unravel these because I'll never get them put back together. I'm sorry. Oh, it's in there. This one, our last one in the Halloween trick-or-treat box is Halloween Night of the Full Moon. Halloween Night of the Full Moon. For best results, apply with nail foil glue. This is in the Halloween trick-or-treat box for October. This was a spoiler alert if you just joined us. This was the other part of my order. I don't know how I'm going to show it all. Let me get 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are my samples for being an ambassador from Charlie's Nail Art. This is the Fine Glitter Mix. Ambience of the fall. This is only available at Charlie's Nail Art. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait for to play with this. Manicure coming already. We have got some leaves, mini golden leaves. You can get these at Charlie's Nail Art. charliesnailart.co.uk. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen and get the orange smoke. Oh, I can't wait to play with those. Moonshine. This is a 3-gram bag that I was given. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Maybe I'll upside down. And Nightmare. Do we have that one already? No, we had Night Terror. This is Nightmare. Look at that. That is stunning. Well, this is my... Oh, we got more. I was going to close it up. Close it up I was going to do. Well, you can't see these down here. Can you up here? No. Shoot. Where's that one there? It's the orange smoke. You got the orange smoke. Where's the purple? Oh, purple smoke is right here. This side, oh, forget, you don't need to know that. These are some lollies, I believe they call them. I wish I don't have it on here. To me, they are ice cream bars in the U.S. These are so cute. This is blue crushed shells, 3 grams. Oh, look at those. Those are so beautiful. So beautiful. I cannot wait to play with those. We have some water decals now. This is the end of my order. We have got water decals. We have got some butterflies, and there's some peacock feathers. Oh, that is so pretty. I love peacock feathers. We've got some pop art. Let me turn this the right way. Oh, these are stickers. This is water decals. The peacock feathers and the butterflies. The pop art are stickers. And these are what... Oh, I ordered 2 of these. Oh no, are these the same? Yes, they are. Looks like one's going to go up for Christmas or any giveaway, probably for Christmas. I'll have to put these in my tote as I speak. Since there were 2. That's alright. That's alright. So this is my order from charliesnailart.co.uk. A whole caboodle full of fun. Please go check out Charlie on Instagram, Charlie's Nail Art Supply. She doesn't wait a minute, does Charlie's have a channel? Yes, I believe Charlie's does have a channel here on YouTube. So look for Charlie's Nail Art on YouTube here. If I'm not mistaken, I feel horrible saying this. I'm pretty sure they have a channel. There's a certain gal, which I can't remember the name of her channel either. Her name is Jo, where she does the videos for Charlie's Nail Art, and she does some great things too. If I could remember her name. I'm very sorry, it's horrible on me. So, leave me a comment down below if you like my goodies that I got today from Charlie's Nail Art. I do. Cannot wait to play. Now what to do first. Ugh. Anyways, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're new here and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. And I am still having a giveaway that's going to go on until January. It's going to carry over. If you've already entered, you don't need to re-enter. But if you haven't entered, I invite you to enter. It is for the black and white opaque sticky stamping polishes by Charlie's Nail Art. These are them. These are mine. So, whoops. Go check out my She Modern Saturday where I use and introduce you to them for my giveaway. Give yourselves a blessed day and thank you.